Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Let's take a look at the euro currency and prepare the daily update. It's video research that we based on our analysis that we have prepared in the weekend. Well guys, as we have discovered, I hope that you have read our weekly research. So as we have discovered, the CFTC data that indicates market sentiment has shifted a bit, and we see in the recent report from the commitment of traders that significant part of short positions have been closed by the speculators and opened longs. Simultaneously, if you will check for commercials, so that usually calls us the hedgers that use the futures market for hedging the positions, and they stand usually against the trend. So they accumulate opposite positions to the trend action to hedge against this trend. So as you can see, the hedging positions were contracted really significantly on the previous week. Also, some comments have appeared in the market from the well-known analysis that currently US dollar looks a bit overextended to the downside in terms of the euro USD. Other words, the US dollar has increased in values too significantly, and that is going on with the not quite hawkish rhetoric from the Fed, and it means that the dollar was too overextended compared to what Fed have said. So that's why the analysis tells about the possible retracement and so on. So guys, if you carefully have read our analysis, that's beyond the CFTC report and the shy shifting and the sentiment, that situation right now becomes not as bearish as it was on the previous week. We also have pure technical moments that market is oversold on the weekly chart, and the combining of these two moments makes us think that the probability of the retracement right now is greater than even it was on the previous week. But at the same time, we suspect that market still could show some shy downward action because euro hasn't quite reached the technical support, and this really significant support, that is the major 618 FIB support on the weekly chart that stands approximately around 127.65 area. As you can see here, that is also will be the daily oversold as well. And currently market stands slightly higher than this support. At the same time, market right now stands at some sort of the free space. So you can see market is not at the oversold on the daily, and it's not at some FIB support. The 1618 extension, ultimate extension of our ABCD pattern that market has hit here, has led only to the minor retracement. That is too small retracement compares to the significant target that market has hit. So that just shows how market was heavy. It was just, we could say that here probably was no retracement at all. It's just the consolidation that has led market to out from the oversold condition and to show some just minor bounce to the upside, and has formed the bearish flag pattern. Applying the classical approach to trading the flanks, that the market could pass down the distance equal to the mast of the flag. Here is the mast of the flag. If you count down, you will see that market really has chance to continue move a bit lower, and that makes us think that market probably should hit first the weekly support. It's around 127.60, 127.80 area before retracement will start. approximately the same hints we could see on the 4-hour time frame chart. So if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see a couple of moments. First of all, the extension of this move up from this low to this high, extension to the downside, is 1618, stands at the same area as 127, approximately 75 area, 127.70. And this ABC top D pattern also point on the same support. Here is this thick line, this purple line, particularly the weekly pivots, weekly 618 support, 127.65. So you can see that all of these targets cross approximately in the same area. That's probably will be also the weekly pivot support one. If my mind doesn't trick me, we have discussed this in our weekly research, and I just remember that some pivot support stands somewhere in this area. Anyway, that will be the area to watch for, and I think that market probably should reach it before any retracement will start. At the same time, guys, we do not have here, we need to get the reversal pattern, but right now we already can exclude some patterns. For example, we have to exclude the butterfly because this low is lower than this one, and we can't say that this will be the butterfly. Simultaneously, we have to exclude the free drive buy, because to create here the acceptable free drive in terms of the extensions, market should show the very significant retracement to the upside. Here probably we will not get it. As the same here, we also can't get the free drive because at the same reasons, because the plunge down is too fast and significant, and here we should get the too significant retracement to the upside to get some hint on the possible free drive. Hence, the one pattern that we could just observe here is probably, as I hope to get, it's probably could be the reverse head and shoulders, because in terms of the head and shoulders, that looks really nice. This extension 1618 stands precisely at an area of the fib support on the weekly chart, and that really could be this pattern could be formed as a reaction on this reversal and the shifting and the sentiment. That's why, as we said in our weekly research, our trading plan for the current week is twofold. The first stage of our plan is the wait when the market will hit the support area. Second, if market will let us, we will try to find the reason for taking the long position, because here is really retracement could start, and we will try to get some pattern right at the bottom of the potential head pattern, potential head point. So second stage is the searching possibility for the taking long position. How extended this long trade will be is difficult to say, because we do not know how the situation will develop. But later we will see, depending on how market will behave here. But let's be focused first on the first stage, it's hitting of this support, and later we will see what pattern market will form here, whether we will be able to take the long position here at all. Maybe market will plunge down as the stone, who knows. But currently, as I said, there are some factors on the market as the fundamental character and as the technical one. So that point that really some retracement, something is changing, and in the short-term perspective, really we could get the chance, and probably market will form here something that will confirm this suspicious on the possible retracement. So if market will form here this pattern, well, that will be at least something that would let us to trade on the euro currency on the current week.